Why the body needs the correct salt. The body uses salt to maintain body fluid levels. A balance of sodium and liquids is vital for the heart, liver, and kidneys. It regulates blood fluids, preventing low blood pressure. Too much salt in the body sucks out too much water from the cells. Salt is essential, but too much can lead to or keep blood pressure high. You just need the correct salt, not your typical white refined pure table salt, but some good old natural sea salt. When you have too much salt and make extra fluid outside your cells. This increase in fluids allows the body to hold too much fluids and sodium while excreting high amounts of sodium in the urine. When levels are too high, you get thirsty. The body needs salt to maintain the correct body fluids levels. The salt the body needs is all natural sea salt. Let's explore some salts. Himalayan sea salt, extracted from ancient salt beds, it's rich in minerals to help our body function properly. It contains over 80 minerals and elements like potassium, calcium, and iron. The minerals help detoxify the body of bacterial. Table salt is highly processed and sea salt isn't sold in its natural form. It's rich in iodine, helping your body create an electrolyte balance, helping your intestines absorb nutrients and lowering blood pressure. Sel de Garand, consisting of sodium chloride crystals, is important for the small intestines to absorb chloride, sugar, water, and amino acids. Malden sea salt pyramid-shaped crystals and flakes keeps the salt from clumping. Peruvian salt, Murray River salt, and more. Check around to see where you can find natural salt, do your homework and research. Talk to your doctor to see if they have a positive or negative feelings. In the end, the decision is yours to make wise and healthy decisions for yourself. Doctors don't know everything. Sea salt is a great source of micronutrients. They include vitamins and minerals in very small amounts. Table salt contains 2,300 mg of salt and sea salt about 2,000 because the crystals are bigger per teaspoon. Sea salt can maintain moderate hydration and blood pressure levels. Not enough salt can lead to dehydration. Chloride is necessary to produce stomach acid, and sodium chloride facilitates the absorption and transportation in the intestines. Sea salt plays a vital role in muscle and nerve function. It's estimated that the body needs 186 milligrams. I take about 1/4 of a teaspoon a day when I'm mindful of it. I do take some salt with my morning water intake to be balanced. Too much water and not enough salt can lead to electrolyte depletion, a problem called hyponatremia. Unsweetened coconut water is a good electrolyte drink. A pinch of sea salt in whatever you're going to drink is good for dehydration, diarrhea, and vomiting. A little raw honey or brown sugar, opt. I hope you found this video informative. If so, like, thumbs up, share, and subscribe. Click the bell. Do let me know what you think, maybe you know more. I'm always up to learning something.